Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to stop desktop icons from automatically aligning. As you can see, I have a couple of desktop icons. If I was to move this new folder, it automatically snaps into alignment. If I was to put it above this new folder here, it will snap into alignment again. This is a setting that a lot of people do forget about, but it does give you that freedom of moving icons wherever you like. And all we need to do is right click on an empty area on our desktop, and you will end up with a window that looks like this. You now need to go to View, and you now need to untick the Align Icons to Grid option. Just simply click on this option. And if I now grab my new folder again, I can place it wherever I like. We now have that freedom. It doesn't just keep snapping it into alignment. And that is how easy it is. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.